So Shiba Inu has been going crazy in the past. It has seen absolutely crazy movements happening to its price, and also its burning has gone up by a lot. So in this video we're going to be talking about what Shiba Inu has seen in the past and another news about the burning of Shiba Inu. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are looking at the most moved cryptocurrencies in the past 7 days. So we filtered it by the most positive movement in the past 7 days, and we obviously have Dog with Fat, Pepe, Floki, and Shiba Inu, and Bonk, obviously. So we made a video on the first 3 of these. We made a video on Dog with Fat, on Pepe, and Floki, and now it is time for Shiba Inu. So we'll be talking about this now, and there's another important news that we have to cover after we finish talking about this. So Shiba Inu currently at 402278, up around 1.27 in the past hour, up around 3% in the past 24 hours, and up around a crazy 134% in the past 7 days. Not as crazy as these coins up here, but still an absolutely crazy number since we are in an epic up rally. So let's take a look at this graph right here. So if we take a look at this, our market cap is at around $13.4 billion right now. Our volume at around $3.6 billion, down 44% from yesterday. So, but we are still seeing positive movement even though we were down. So if we take a look at this graph right here, we were up in the first couple hours and then we went down, going all the way down to 1989 and then coming back up to our regular price. So we have seen alteration between the up and down. So that's what's basically happened throughout today. And if we take a look at the 7-day chart, this is where the magic is happening. We can see it is up by a crazy 134% in just the past 7 days. Absolutely mind-blowing. In the beginning of the week, it was at 509695, and we have been going up ever since. We were going steady, nicely and steady, but as we got to the 1st of March, we saw this exponential growth, and we kept seeing more and more as we are going on. So now we are seeing some even growth, some choppy sideways action, up and down alteration, but we are still on that crazy bull run that we are seeing. And now let's talk about this news about Shiba Inu. So Shiba burns sees 887% surge after 634 million SHIB deconstruction in February. So SHIB transaction tracker SHIB burn trip spreads the word about an intensive rise in the SHIB burn rate observed since last morning. In the meantime, the same source has announced a monstrous amount of SHIB destroyed over the past month. The aforementioned 24-hour burns have coincided with a monstrous price increase staged by Shiba Inu since last morning. So it is up by 887%. So there is more increase in burning in Shiba Inu happening right now, as you can see in the bottom of this picture right here. 887% in the past just the past 24 hours. So crazy increase in just the burning. So this is the burning is also causing a crazy increase in the increase in price also. So the more SHIB that is burned, the more SHIB that the price increases. So this is also one of the reasons the price is increasing. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about what Shiba Inu is seeing, about 134% increase in just the past day, crazy numbers in the burning. So absolutely new things going on in Shiba Inu. 887% increase in the burn rate. So crazy things we are seeing in Shiba Inu and also other coins. So that was a bit it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also do make sure to check out my daily live stream I do on this channel, talking about any recent price changes, any recent news in the crypto community. So I keep you guys updated daily through a live stream, and I also create long form content like this, keeping you guys updated about the crypto market, new crypto pumping, any new news. So do make sure to check out my other videos out as well. So that was about it. If you did enjoy, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.